Alright, so we got a giant weathered oxidized outcrop here. And we're going to be sampling from this area here, and then we're going to sample from up there as well. So does everyone know what this is? This is Gossan. This is a weathered outcrop. And you have your surface oxidization from your deposit, which is down farther. So you do have multiple sulfides in here as well. There's going to be multiple outcrops on this road we're going to be sampling. So let's dive into it. Alright, so this outcrop, you can see right there, you got granodiorite, as well as quartz feldspar. Everything is hugely oxidized. Lots of chemical and mechanical weathering here. These areas right here where it's more oxidized is where we have quite a bit more sulfides. There's another one right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take a sample from there, but we're also going to take a sample from the entire span of the outcrop, a chip sample, and we'll send that in for an analysis. So everyone, you can see the yellowish staining here. The yellowish staining is from your sulfides. With oxygen and water, your sulfides deteriorate chemically and they turn to sulfuric acid. So you can see here your rust or your oxidization. That is from your oxides. Just trying to find a good spot to take my sample. So this area is really good for gold, silver, copper, lead, zinc, and a little bit of cadmium. So that's what we're going to be expecting for assay results. We're going to be sending it in for ore grade ICP testing, and we're going to be taking probably our sample from here, this deteriorated area right here. So when you're sampling, you don't just want to get your vein material here. You want to sample from one side to the other side of the vein, get some of your host rock in there as well. When you're mining, you usually, especially when deposits like this, you don't just mine adits this wide, so you have to expect for getting some of your host rock in there and some of your sample. I think we got a big enough sample from this area. Let's move over and sample the other spot. So this is our third area we're sampling from. Combining this all into one sample. And I think that's good enough for this outcrop. Let's move over to the side of it. Sample that one over there. So he's getting the second sample there. And then we're going to head down and take a look at another showing similar to this. Alright, so we got our next showing here. This is just disseminations of pyrite, chalcopyrite, and a little bit of sphalerite. So what we're going to do is we're just taking a small sample and we're going to be doing trace analysis on this from right up there. So I'm going to have to put the camera down and get the sample. My prospecting partner's down the road looking at another showing, so I'll post the assay results for this at the end of the video as well. Alright, so you can see up there, there's mineralization, oxidization. Well, you can't see the mineralization, but we know it's there. Over here as well. So we've actually taken a sample from here before. We took a soil sample from down below the outcrop because it was very difficult to get up there with all this slough rock, and you can see that's about a 70-degree slope. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually make it up there. Probably won't be able to film it, but we'll show you our sample afterwards, and then we'll continue on to the next showing. Alright, here's a few samples we found on the way up. You can see right there, you have your mineral. Same with all along there. So the last sample that we took here, we just did a trace because we just took some of the soils down below. And it had platinum, palladium in it, gold, silver, copper, zinc, lead. So we're going to be sending this sample in for all those. You can see there's more mineral right there. And we're going to go get our sample now. Alright, so we just came down from the top. We sampled. It's definitely stockwork veins. So there's no defining actual vein we could mine out. It's mainly smaller veins under 1 centimeter, but there's a whole ton of them. So hopefully the assay results are good, and we'll show you a couple more samples we pulled off. So here's a few more of the ones that we threw down, ones that didn't fall in the giant rock pile and that we could recover. Alright, so this is the last area where we're going to be sampling. We've sampled 300 meters down the road about a year ago. We just never got around to doing all this. We didn't have time. And now we're doing a sampling program here. So we're going to be including all these in our assessment report. Anyway, we are running out of time now, so we're going to end it right here, and we'll continue on prospecting tomorrow in this area. Hope everyone enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment, subscribe. We'd love to hear your feedback, good or bad. Till the next time, have a good one, everyone.